Hey everyone, Certified Lymphedema Therapist here. Let's go step by step through a full routine of lymphatic drainage for the face and neck to help move fluid for a healthy lymphatic system. If you want printable handouts, check out the links in the description box down below. If cleared by the doctor for safety, this is something that can be done daily as a routine. I personally like the morning as the face tends to be more swollen due to gravity from laying down all night. During or after a warm shower can also be beneficial. First, start with putting your hands on your belly and taking 4 big deep breaths to stimulate the lymph nodes that are deep in the abdomen. This will increase flow of lymphatic fluid through the larger vessels. So gently pressing inward, take a nice big breath in and then out and repeating 4 times. Then we want to stimulate the lymph nodes that are right around the collarbone or the clavicle area, as all of the fluid in the face and the body go to these lymph nodes before going back to the heart. So gently putting your hand on those areas and doing 10 to 15 circles in either direction right around that area. It's best to do this directly on the skin. Then we want to stimulate the lymph nodes that are in the face and head area. So splitting the fingers, putting them on either side of the ears, putting your hand on the side of your face and doing 10 to 15 circles on both sides in either direction to stimulate these lymph nodes. Then we want to move the fluid and decongest the area, moving from the lymph nodes below the ear, down the side of the neck, towards the lymph nodes at that collarbone or clavicle. So wrapping your fingers around the side and to the back, doing 5 to 10 strokes from below your ear down towards those lymph nodes. Then you can repeat the same thing on either side. It is okay to do both sides at the same time to speed up and be more efficient. Make sure that you're keeping everything nice and gentle, and so you don't have to press hard because the fluid in the vessels are right below the skin. After we finish decongesting, then we want to start to move into the neck. The fluid under the jaw moves out towards the lymph nodes below the ear before then moving back down the side of the neck. So we're guiding the fluid from the middle of the face outwards towards those lymph nodes. Then you can follow up with finishing it down the side of the neck, nice and gentle, 5 to 10 strokes, or spending as much time as you need. Then we could do the same thing on the other side, moving from the middle of the face outward towards those lymph nodes that we stimulated earlier below the ear, and then down the side of the neck. 5 to 10 times or more as needed. Then if you want to work in the middle of the chin, the fluid right below the lips goes straight towards the lymph nodes that are right underneath the jaw or the chin. If you're working on the upper part of the lip or on the sides, it wraps around and down towards right below that chin in the middle. After you've spent that time, then we want to finish moving everything out towards the lymph nodes below the ear. You want to make sure that you're repeating this on both sides. Then we'll work up into the cheek areas on both sides. This fluid again moves towards the lymph nodes right below the ear and out of the face. 5 to 10 strokes on either side. You can also work underneath the eyes or up around the nose. Just be nice and gentle and light with your touch. This is a sensitive area. Moving the fluid out and down before moving on to above the eye and around the eye and even into the forehead. That fluid moves around the side of the face, down and around towards those same lymph nodes. Everything works from the middle or the midline of the face and out towards the same side. Once you've finished and spent as much time as you need with that face area, all of that fluid move towards those lymph nodes. We want to start to move back down the side of the neck towards the lymph nodes that are on the collarbone or clavicle, as the fluid will filter through there before moving back to the heart. You can repeat the same thing on the other side to finish your decongestion. After you've done 5 to 10 strokes or as much as needed to finish moving all of that fluid, then we can finish with re-stimulating the lymph nodes to make sure that they're active and working quickly right around the ear, on both sides, around that collarbone or clavicle, directly on the skin as able. And once you finish stimulating those lymph nodes, then you are done. And that's a full routine for lymphatic drainage massage for the face. Be sure to check out the other lymphatic drainage videos on my channel for other areas of the body.